In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can gift a premium membership to someone here on chess.com, whether you're on PC or mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now start on the chess.com home screen, and what you're going to want to do is hit this little like more button right here. Scroll down on this section until you see a specific tab on here for gifting. It's going to be under this under tab all the way down at the very bottom. But go ahead and select gift, and it's going to redirect you to a page that looks like this. We have multiple different options to go ahead and gift someone. So you can gift them gold, platinum, diamond. It really is up to you. Let's just go ahead and say that we want to gift someone a year of gold right here. So select gold. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. It's going to give you, your name that you're going to want to put in here, and then your email address. Go ahead and hit save and continue. And then from here, you're going to want to search for the recipient's username. So really, whoever you want, you could put your friend's username in here. You could say when you want it to deliver, and then of course you can also send a personal message with it as well. Hit save and continue, and then of course you'll be on the payment tab where you'll be able to pay for that membership. And that is it. That is how you can gift a premium membership here on chess.com on PC and mobile. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.